What's up guys, in this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can launch your own base token. In today's video, we're going to use Ape Store, which has been the #1 launch pad for all the latest base meme coins coming out right here. And on this front page, we see all the tokens that are being traded right now. We can sort this by creation time, and we can actually see real time what tokens are being launched on this website. Now, to get into how to actually launch a project on here, I actually got a little bit of a project ready before recording this video so I can show you exactly how to do it. So to get started, you want to kind of have an idea of your project already. You want to have a name, a ticker symbol ready, and you want to have your website, Telegram, and Twitter set up. All that together is going to help you have everything ready for the moment you launch the coin. Because what happens the moment your coin goes live, everybody's going to be able to buy it. So you really need to make sure that you have everything ready. Now, in order to create our coin, we're gonna click right here on token deployer, and right away we are prompted with this menu, and you obviously want to make sure that you have base selected. For the name of the coin, let me see. For the name of the coin, we're gonna call our coin Blue today. It's actually designed after a TV show character, and I just uploaded the picture right here, and we just gotta wait a little bit right here for the picture to load. And then in terms of the description, we just kind of like describe what our coin is about. So we can say Blue, a famous dog making it onto the blockchain. So you can get really creative here. You don't have to do a super long description. It just matters that you have one. I think that's really important. After you're done with that, oh no, we are getting a Grammarly error. Okay, after that, you're gonna insert your Telegram link right here, your Telegram portal or group, your Twitter link, and your website. You do not have to do this, though I really recommend setting this up before you launch, because this can really make or break the success of your project. Now, when it's all said and done, you just want to make sure that you have a wallet set up and you have it funded with some money. In this case, I have a wallet ready here with about $25 in it. I personally recommend, if you really want to take this seriously, have like $500 ready to invest and to buy your own token, because the way you make money with this project, you're gonna make money as the coin price goes up. So the more tokens you own, the more money you're gonna make. So you wanna make sure that you buy your tokens at launch. And for that, you need your own money. Now, in this case, I just have a test wallet set up. It just has $25 in it, and we're gonna use that for our launch today. And as you can see right here, we're not on the Ethereum mainnet. We are on Base. So make sure that when you launch your token on Ape Store, you are right here, you have it added as a network. Now, if you do not have this added yet, Ape Store is actually gonna prompt you to add it. So it's actually super easy. And that's pretty much it. So what you're gonna do here next is you're gonna click deploy right here, and it's gonna ask you how much of your own supply you wanna buy. So for me, just for example purposes here, we're gonna put in like $5, okay? So $5, this is an ETH right here. So this amount more or less is $5. You can actually pull up an Ethereum to US dollar or whatever your currency is calculator to kind of like calculate how much you're buying in terms of the tokens. So what you're gonna do next, we're gonna put in $5 and we're gonna press OK. Now again, I can't stress this enough. If you really wanna make money with your own token, you have to buy more of your supply. So instead of buying a $5 in this case, you wanna buy like 200, 300, 400. And what's gonna happen as the price goes up, that 400 is going to turn into 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and you're going to be able to reinvest that money in order to market your coin. So just really keep that in mind, because as your coin grows, you want to have that money available in terms of your marketing budget to continue paying influencers, paying for your deck screen listing, etc. So sorry for talking so much, but we're going to go right here and we're going to approve the transaction. And what's going to happen right after, our coin is going to go live. So super exciting moment. And right away, we are thrown to the screen right here, which this is the token that we just created, okay? We have the chart right here. We have the first green candle. Now, one thing I want to explain with Ape Store for the people that are new, free the apes progress. What is that? So basically, as our coin goes up in market cap, right now we are currently at a $3,400 market cap. As the coin goes up to around a $69,000 market cap, this free the apes progress is gonna slowly reach 100%. Sometimes this happens within 10 minutes. Sometimes it can take multiple days. Sometimes it takes a couple hours. You really have to be on Ape Store pretty much daily if you want to really catch these tokens early, okay? But in this case, we're creating our own token. So Free the Apes progress, this is how much progress we have towards getting our coin listed on Dex Screener officially. So that's that. And then King of the Apes progress is basically a free advertisement by the Ape Store website, where your coin actually gets listed on the top, on the front page. It's where your coin actually gets listed on the front page right here. And a lot of new people are going to see your coin and going to buy into it. So that is the King of the Apes progress. Right now, we're 10% away. At the moment this reaches 100%, we're going to get that front page advertisement on Ape Store. So we're probably going to reach this first, and then second, we're going to reach that Free the Apes progress. Now, so the way other people are going to be able to buy your coin is right here. Directly right here, you can, after bridging your ETH over to Base, you can start trading, buying and selling this coin as you like. And people can take profit whenever. You can sell your tokens whenever. You can buy back tokens whenever. So that's super simple. This right here is the bonding curve. Now, in this list right here, we're going to see who has bought into the coin. Right now, it's just us, the creator. Usually people want to see you owning like at least 3-4%. That's usually a really good number. Right now, we're only owning 0.15%. So you really want to see what are we communicating to the investors. Investors want to see 4%, 3%. So that way you have that a little bit of money to market the coin and not abandon the project. So just keep that in mind. Now right here we have our ticker and we have our picture looking super awesome. And then when we go on the Ape Store website right here, and we just refresh the website, we can actually see our token is right here. So that's super cool to see as well. Now, one way I like to get inspiration on this website in terms of like getting ideas, seeing what's working, is I like to kind of like filter this, and I like to click this one that says all. And this actually lets you filter the tokens by the ones that are most successful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click right here, and we have two options. We have three options. We have all, we have active, and we have free. Now, what does that mean? So active basically means those are all the tokens that are on Ape Store right now, and they haven't reached the Free the Ape progress, which is this progress bar right here. They're still under 100%. The moment they reach 100%, they're gonna get into the category which is free, standing for Free the Apes. And clicking that right here is actually gonna sort it by only coins that have reached that 100% progress bar. So you're really looking at the most successful projects on this website that have made it out of the bonding curve. And when you look at this right here, we have like some new tokens popping up in here. But when you look at this site right here, you really see kind of like the trends that are happening, the type of tokens that are buying. Again, a lot of animals. We got Peppa the Frog in here, a lot of blue theme. A couple of days ago, beginning of Pride Month, we had some remakes of some pretty popular Ape Store coins, and they made a gay version, like a Pride version out of those. So that day, that was kind of like the meta. The meta really always changes. So I urge you to come back every day, check what's trending here, check what tokens are being launched, and go ahead and launch your own token. I'm gonna make more videos explaining to you literally step by step how to successfully launch a token. So many of you have been asking me to just make more educational videos on how to do a successful project. I really hope this video has helped you in terms of really launching your own base token in a way where you're not gonna have to put thousands of dollars into liquidity and just put so much money at risk. This is like the most risk-free it's ever gonna get. This is the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love this video, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.